In this video, I'll show you how to add a checkbox to your Shopify store. Perfect if you want to include optional upgrades, terms and conditions, or gift options at checkout. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Shopify admin panel, then go to Settings and click on Checkout. Scroll down until you find the Checkout Questions section. You'll see an option that says Add a Question. Click that and choose Checkbox from the drop-down menu. Now, type in the label for your checkbox. Something like I agree to the terms or add a gift note. You can also set a price adjustment if you want, like charging extra for gift wrapping or a personalized message. Once done, click Save at the bottom of the page. That's it. The checkbox will now appear during checkout, and customers can select it before placing their order. Quick tip: if you want more customization than what Shopify offers by default, look into apps like Order Doctor or Bold Custom Fields. They give you more control over checkboxes and other custom options. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips. See you next time.